Did you accidentally ignore someone on Discord and now can't find how to undo it? Learn 2 quick ways to unignore any user in under a minute. First, I'll show you the settings method, then a faster way directly from their profile. Let's start with the settings. First, open Discord on your computer or in a web browser. Click on the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left of the Discord window. Then, in the Settings menu, select Content and Social. Scroll down to the section labeled Accounts You've Blocked and Ignored. Find the user you want to unignore under Ignored Accounts and click the Unignore button next to their name. Alternatively, right-click on the user's profile or name anywhere in Discord. Then, click Unignore from the context menu, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.